Hello! I'm going to show you how to fold an A4 sheet of paper into a regular pentagon. Now that seems very odd because a pentagon sort of has a fiveness about it, whereas a rectangular sheet of paper has very much a fourness about it. It has four sides, four angles, four lines of symmetry, but believe it or not, you can actually fold this sheet of paper into the shape of a regular pentagon. So first of all, I found the center of the paper just by folding it twice, and then what I'm going to do is, as accurately as I can possibly manage, to fold each of the corners of the rectangle in to meet at the center of this rectangle here and end up with a shape like that. Now technically that is a pentagon, but it's not a regular pentagon. It's got 5 sides. So what needs to be done next is that these sides need to be folded so that that corner meets the center line, and this edge, this line here, is parallel to the base. So you do this as best you can by eye, and the same with the other side. It has to meet there, and lo and behold, when I turn this over, you'll be amazed. There we have one regular pentagon.